Because nowadays people, they want to know about according to their knowledge. Because all they are thinking, I am intelligent, I am not a backward person. I know everything. I manifested many things. Robot, everything. Robot, understand? Robot, everything. No need to God, no need to Bhagavan, no belief to God. Modern science they are thinking, because we may. But this is not true. Modern science cannot manifest the oxygen. Oxygen coming from where? Lord. Lord gives us everything. Without Lord, you cannot do anything. So now coming, many things I also explain this way. So 4 things is there. Science also explain, modern science explain 4 things. Our spiritual science also explain 4 things. Jiva Goswami Pada explain, Chaturtha Avatishtate, Lord is one. Ekameva Parama Tattam. Krishna is one. He is called absolute truth. Param Tattva. Sattam Param Dhimahi. Param Tattva. Sattam Param Dhimahi. 9 o'clock we are finished. Sattam Param Dhimahi. Only one absolutely true. Satya means absolutely truth. What is the absolutely truth? Bhagavan. Is the perfect Vastu. Vastu means substance. Substance. Then Jaiva Dharma, very nicely Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this substance again manifests in 2 forms. And one is called Vastav Vastu, another is called Vastav Vastu. Krishna Tattva is coming. This is need also for Tattva Darshan. Vastav Vastu, perfect truth, substance, that is called Krishna, Bhagavan. Or Avastav, which is not manifest, that is called Maya. Avastav, which is not true. And makes the illusion, that is called Avastav. Then Vastav Vastu also again 2. What is that? Paramatma and Atma. That means Bhagavan and Jivas. Or Bhagavan and his Shakti. Yes, here is Lord and his potency, Shakti. That is called Vastav Vastu. You are a human being. This is true. But how will know you are a human being? If I don't know you are animals, then you will slap to me. This is true or not? If I tell you are animal, then you are angry Maharaj. I am not animal. This is true or not? You are saying, no, I am man. I am a human being. Why do you say animal? So how we know? You are human being? Manava. Manusya. Sanskrit word saying Manusya. Manusya. The one who has discriminated, whose man husa iti manusya. Who has intelligence, who has a discriminating power. That is called manusya. Animals, they cannot discriminate. We are human beings. Discriminate. What is good and what is bad. Animals, what they are doing? Same place eating and same place stooling and urine. Have you seen or not? Same place. Vomiting and after few minutes eating. Cannot discriminate. There's the food and his stool. This is true or wrong? Little bit strong for you, strange for you. But this is true.
Cats and dogs, they don't do that. Cats and dogs, they don't do that.
कुत्ते निंदा नहीं करते ऐसे. कुत्ता निंदा ऐसे नहीं करते है ना. कुत्ता नहीं करते ऐसे.
कुत्ता क्या नहीं करता?
Essentially, vomit and eat the same.
Same place they are doing. कुत्ता, कुत्ते एंड और जो डॉग वो जो एक सेम प्लेस करता है, जिसमें रहते हैं ना वहीं पर वो रहता है. श्रीमद् भागवत is saying this way. That is called bantasi. Vomiting and sitting there and eating. Later. Yeah. Huh? These are, they cannot discriminate. They cannot discriminate what is good and what is bad. Yeah? You are thinking Western country. No, because you training sometimes also little bit physical, but there is not it. Huh?
No training, then...
You after toilet, you are going to the bath, washing. But dog not doing this way. Huh? So, simplest thing. Huh? Okay, some coming. This subject is going on. Human being, manav. Yes, saying our Shastra is saying, manusa. Manusa, manhusa iti manusa. Whose means? Whose means we are intelligent, discriminate. And understand this. So we are human being, this party. So ekame parama tattva, just I coming back. Absolute truth. One thing, vastav vastu and avastav vastu. Vastav vastu Krishna, then avastav vastu, that is called Maya. Jayabedharma explain, you know. Just I explain this way. Then vastav vastu again, then two ways. One is called Bhagavan and Jivatma. Or his Shakti. Shakti, Shaktiman. This way. So now coming in this way, Bhagavan, he is the supreme personality of God, is Swayam Bhagavan. He is the supreme controller. He controls everyone. So Ekameva Paramatattam, Sahavika Achinta Sakta. He has spontaneous, inconceivable potential, Achinta Sakti. Inconceivable potential, Achinta Sakti here. So the Sahaviki Achinta Sakta. In his Achinta Sakti, inconceivable potency, Savian, spontaneous, inconceivable potency, he manifested four forms. Swayamrup, Brinandana Syamasundar. And then his another form, he manifested many his forms. And that is called Sangsa. Sangsa means his own forms in manifested this way. First Baladev Prabhu, Baladev Tattva, then Sankarshan, Mool Sankarshan, then Kardoksai, Garbhodoksai, then Krodoksai Vishnu, the coming, and then also what is called, and Paramatma Tattva, that is called, Krodoksai Vishnu, then five types he manifested. So now coming in this way. That's called Sangsa. And then another called Vibhinnangsa. Vibhinnangsa, with a manifestation from his own potency, that is Jiva Tattva. Jiva Tattva is called Vibhinnangsa Tattva. Two words is coming, Sanskrit word. On his Sangsa, Sa Angsa iti Sangsa. And direct his manifestation from his form, that is called Sangsa. Ramadi, Murtisu, Kola, Niyamana, Tistan, all these are Sangsa. Understand this? Krishna manifested three forms. Swayam Rup, Tadekatma Rup, and Aves. Krishna Tattva coming, very complicated. If I tell you, maybe tomorrow I will tell you. And then your head start to spinning. And nobody will come in my class. But I have to learn education part. Understand? Sangsa, Vibhinnangsa Tattva. Vibhinnangsa Tattva means Jiva Tattva. Krishna's one potency, that is called potency of Jiva, Jiva Shakti. Then all Jivas manifested. Jiva Shakti. Chit Shakti is manifestation this way. Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. All Jivas manifesting from Krishna's Jiva Shakti. All these material things manifesting from Krishna's material potency, energy, that is called Jada Jagat. And Krishna another potency, transcendental potency, that is Chit Jagat, transcendental world, global now. Yes, this. So just I also Sangsa and Vibhinnangsa. Vibhinnangsa, that is called Jiva Tattva. Or Sangsa, that is called Bhagavad Tattva. Sang Krishna, he manifested many forms. Listen. Swayamrup Tadikaturu Avis. Swayamrup again two manifestation. Need blackboard. Otherwise you will forget. I know you will forget. You read one my book. What is my book? I explain the Sanyam Dasakam. Explaining that. Very nice. This book. Have to read. These are things. This is Tattva Darshan. Sangsa is Swayamrup Braje Prinandandan. That is Krishna origin form. That is called Dibhuj Bonu Muridhar. Krishna plays the flute. Swayamrup, then Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash is manifestation. Again two, Prabhav and Vaibhav. In Braj, he performs many leelas with the gopis. He manifests many forms with the gopis. Rasani. In Dwaraka, he manifested many forms with his Mohishis, queens in there. So Prabhupada Prakash. Vaibhav Prakash, then coming here. And Baladev Prabhu coming. Then from Baladev, many manifestations coming. Sankarsan, Mool Sankarsan, and Karnadak Sai, Garudak Sai, Kirdak Sai Vishnu, and this. And many avatars manifest in different ways also. And now Ramadi Murti Sukala Niyamanatishtan, Nana Avatar Maprod, Bhuvanesu Kintu. Brahmasangita explain this. Krishna Tattva, very complicated also. We have to learn this Tattva Siddhanta. Little bit hard, but have to learn. Something you have to learn. This is going. Then, Bibina Sangsa again, Aves is Sangsa, some Vishnu Tattva is coming, different Vishnu Tattva. Swayamrup Tadikatmun or Aves, Krishna gave his some potency to his energy to the living entities. And Bhakti Aves. And Krishna gives his one potency to the Bhakti that jivas, that the Bhakti Aves. Narad Rishi, Bhakti Aves. Jnana Aves, Vasudev Goswami. Vasudev Goswami is called Jnanavesh. All his knowledge give inside the heart of Vasudev. So Vasudev he manifested many. This. So different things Lord is doing. So now coming the Krishna Tattva. So Ekameva Param, one only absolute truth, that the Krishna and he manifested, that is called his first potency, first is form, that is called Swayamrup. Then his Sangsa, Sangsa, his own Vigraha, manifested many forms. And then third, Jivatma, that is called manifestation from his Shakti. I explained this. All the Jivas manifested from Krishna's Jiva Shakti. And fourth, that is called Jara Shakti. That is called Jara Jagat, material world. But Chaturdha Avasishtate. They are given example as the Surja Mandala Tatvasmi Padichavi Rupena. First one is called one sun. According to science, what is called? What is called? No. What is called? One sun. Then when burst, then it is called manifested. Many also what look like sun. This bang. Big Bang. Big Bang is saying this way. According to the Japanese Chinese, first scientists explain this way. This is what I explain this. And many millions also heard. And stars. And they are non-different also sun. They are very powerful. And science also, modern science explain. And millions also stars. And they are in these planets in there. You cannot see. And even still, their rays, the rays of the planets cannot also come in this material. Still also there. So how far is from us? Can you imagine? This sun rays which is coming is sometimes very tolerant. The rays of the sun. And another also, they also manifest from the sun, they are also very far from sun also there. So Surja, that means Krishna and all his incarnation, as like what is called, and another stars.
Sun ray.
No, star. Sun, Graha Nakatra. Same power of sun. There. And Tat Rasmi. Rasmi means rays of the sun. Is the compare with the Jivas. Jivas is the compare with the rays of the sun. But that means Rasmi. As a Surya Rasmi. In the same way Krishna's Shakti is manifested in the form of Jivas. That is called Jiva Shakti. Then Jivas manifest. And then Tat Bahiranga Shakti. And reflection. That is called Maya. So 4 examples are given in there. Surya and sun and stars and also rays of the sun and reflection. Chaturdha avasishti. And in this way, 4 tattvas we explain this. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. You read Sandarbha, then understand. Actually, without reading Sandarbha, very difficult to concentrate your mind to Krishna. Tattva Sandarbha nahi. So, Siddhanta bole chitte laite na karo alas, jahaite Krishna lage, Shudra Manas. And first it's saying, come Gaudiya Math. Take Mahaprasad chant holy names. Then what happened? Enter in Shastra Siddhanta. First we also say, okay, not do anything, just Hari Bol, take Kartal and take Mahaprasad. And but take Mahaprasad chant holy names, no, have to enter in Tattva Siddhanta. Without Tattva Siddhanta, not so easy to become Vaishnava. And have to perfect Vaishnava, have to enter in Tattva Siddhanta. Without Tattva Siddhanta, then what happens? You become Sahajiya or Brahmavadi. Jiva Goswami Pada explained this. Because Tattva Siddhanta is called the foundation. And then Rasa Siddhanta will come. Jiva Goswami very clearly explained this. Who has Tattva Siddhanta very strong, Rasa Siddhanta will be strong. Great Vaishnava means is what? Rasik Vaishnava means is what? Who knows all Tattva Siddhanta? Jiva Goswami Pada. Or Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada. What is his name? Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu. Tattva Siddhanta. And simultaneously Rasa Siddhanta. And otherwise nothing. Rasa is not so easy to manifest. So learn some Tattva Siddhanta. So Mahaprabhu is saying Siddhanta bole chitte laite na karo alas, jahai de Krishna lage Sudhamas. So very important to enter in Tattva Siddhanta and simultaneously you also enter in Rasa Siddhanta. Only Tattva Siddhanta, then your mind will be dry. शुष्क हो जाएगा. शुष्क समझते हो? क्या बोला? शुष्क में dry हो जाएगा. And then what is need? Rasa Siddhanta, then will be very happy. So needs Siddhanta and Rasa. Both need same. And only Rasa, no Siddhanta, then you become Sahajiya. Understand these things? So need 2 things. Tattva Siddhanta and Rasa Siddhanta. Jiva Goswami Pada explains simultaneously. As like river flows and 2 banks simultaneously going. Answer. Rasa Siddhanta, Tattva Siddhanta. When who has more Tattva Siddhanta, he established the Rasa Siddhanta. And who knows, who really knows the Tattva Rasa Siddhanta, he knows the really Tattva Siddhanta. क्या बोला? हाँ क्या बोला? बोलो इंग्लिश में बोलो.
One who knows Tattva Siddhanta.
No, one is knows really perfect Rasa Siddhanta. He knows Tattva Siddhanta.
Maharaj, you said before this, you give an example for this Bhav Matra, yeah? And then you said like here maybe watching some ghost movie or anything and then waking up with it like this. But in like say in Italy, like Golok Vrindavan, then this Bhav Matra is there in the gopis or just so that everyone. But
gopis are not there. Krishna's some leelas are Bhava Matra. That is Krishna's birth leela, Janma leela, Asur Marana leela. This leela mentioned in there. That leela is called Bhava Matra. There is.
Because I was thinking here, I wrote here, I was thinking, like, when Rasa Leela is taking place, yeah, and then Krishna leaves, and then this Gopi Geet, gopis are singing, and then at some point they're imitating Krishna's pastimes, like Putana, like things like
that is your Jiv Goswami Pad and Vishnu Chakravarti. Actually, there is no Putana is there. There is no one taking the role of Putana. This Jogmaya herself, she is manifested on Gopi. That Gopi who is acting the role of Putana, and one Gopi told, I am Putana, I am feeding my breast.
Yeah.
So hold another Gopis and taking on her chest and feeding the breast.
Yeah.
So who is that? That is called the Jogmaya herself manifesting the role of Gopi. That Gopi is not original Gopi. That is Jogmaya.
So is this Leela Nitya or Naimite?
Who is Leela?
This Leela. This Leela, this power of this Ras Leela, Gopis, because Yogamaya manifesting.
This Leela is Nitya Leela.
Nitya Leela.
But that role is Jogmaya. Jogmaya sees the role of that Gopi who is saying, I am Putana. I am feeding to breast to Krishna. One Gopi, she is thinking, I am Krishna. That Gopi is okay. That Gopi is original Gopi.
Yeah.
Or whose Gopi is thinking, I am Putana, that is an original Gopi.
So this is Yogamaya, it's not Bhavmatra, this is Yogamaya.
Yogamaya. So Krishna Leela, all Leela is Rasla, all Leela is called origin, that is called perfect Leela. And Yogamaya is here. And that is called Putana was Leela. Putana is coming and kill the Krishna. What is called? And what press the
Suffocated.
Suffocated.
Strangled.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that is the Bhauma Leela. That is that Putana is that is called origin Putana.
Sure.
And one demon that is called they doing this. The Krishna arranged it. Maybe one Jiva Tattva or something this. And so this is the
But like in Golok Vrindavan, when this Bhavmatra in Jasoda, but the gopis no?
Pardon? No, Bhavmatra Jasoda is there. But Jamada, I told Jamada, Jasoda, she is thinking, today I am giving birth my baby.
Yeah.
Just to give an example, you are doing celebrated, that's called universal marriage ceremony. So that you think this is my today my wedding festival.
Yeah.
Wedding festival has done maybe 25 years before. But today they are wife and husband, they think they are celebrating. So what they are thinking? 25 years when they married and that types of is going on this according to their culture, and today's they are thinking. But this thing is what? 25 years past, thus is thinking today also we did. This is bhav coming.
I heard the gopis, they also like sometimes they think, oh maybe Krishna going Mathura, or maybe this demon coming, like they actually think.
That is called the bhav also. Krishna did not.
Yeah.
That is also bhav. Krishna has gone, they think.
Are they hearing that from someone, or how is this bhav coming then?
Jogmaya arrange, otherwise Viraha will not come.
But they're hearing from Yogamaya, or they maybe, or just bhav coming. This bhav coming by hearing or by what?
Krishna went Vrindavan to Mathura. But in Transcendental there are no coming and going.
Yeah.
But Krishna is going. This is Krishna is going. So these types of viraha coming in their heart. Then Jogmaya arranged this Leela.
She's manifesting in their heart.
Yeah. Krishna manifested in their heart.
What about like in Brahmar Geet?
Pardon?
Brahmar Geet, this Leela, Brahmar Geet. Shrimati Radhika, she's in Vishaka Kunda like this. So is this Nitya Leela? Because Uddhav coming and then, this is Nitya Leela?
This Nitya Leela is going on there.
Because there Uddhav coming and then...
Uddhav coming, this Krishna arranged this Leela, the viraha will come. Simultaneously, one is Krishna, Gopis, Krishna, Srimati Radhika meeting with each other. One chamber, apartment, Krishna's meeting with the Gopis. Because meeting Leela is called the prominent. This Leela, it is called Viraha Leela, that is called the what? That is called the Paripurak. Paripurak means?
Nourishing?
Nursing. Nursing to the this Leela. So another apartment, Jogmaya arranged, Srimati Radhika, she is feeling separation from Krishna.
Extreme separation.
Yeah, this is going on this. Otherwise this meeting will not be more increased. Nabina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute. So Jogmaya arranged this way. But how this arranged? very difficult to understand. And because everything cannot express this thing. Because this meeting lila is prominent in there. And or Viraha lila, that is called, that the Paripurak submit, what is called? Supporting. Anyhow, this you understand this. That is called Paripurak, explain this way. And then Jogmayasi arranged. Simultaneously Srimati Radhika saying, oh, Krishna has gone Mathura, now I am alone. And still Krishna, Srimati Radhika on the lap of Krishna. But Srimati Radhika is feeling Krishna has gone. That's called Prema Vaichitta, Bhav is come on this. And Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, Prema Vaichitta. So this Lila Jogmayasi arranged this way. Because without Viraha, Prem will be not increased. And, but there is another thing, Krishna does not go one dham to another dham. Yeah? Because in terms of Prakat Vrindavan, there is a dham, there Vrindavan dham, Vrindavan, Mathura and Dwarka. 3 dhams are different. Krishna does not go. But they are thinking these things. Krishna and went to Dwarka. Krishna went to Mathura. Krishna still lived there. But this Jogmayasi arranged this bhav. This is it. And there is feeling separation this way. Then Jogmaya this way. Virha Rosh is coming this way.
Because in this Vishaka Kunda, Shrimati Radhika, she's always one time I asked Guru that he said, in this Vishaka Kunda, Shrimati Radhika is always, is it? Vyogini Radha. So even in Nitya Lila, this Vishaka Kunda, there's always separation place there. Always. Like.
Actual, always, sometimes meeting together. Lila is going on this way.
Yeah.
Sometimes they meeting, that's all Lila Jogmayasi energy. Sometimes meeting and sometimes separation. Because this is the Viraha, 4 types of Viraha. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas and Prema Vaichitta. Then Prabhas also again together. Sudur Prabhas and Nikat Prabhas. But transcendental world, no long separation. Not Sudur Prabhas. Yeah. Just Krishna, he went to, goes to herding the cows. That is very
painful.
Very painful. Chalo si jo hai. Krishna Kananam Truti Jugayate Tam Pasyatam Kodilakam Talang Srimukanchate Jadavudikshatan Pakshaki Drisam. And so gopis, how they are feeling separation from Krishna. And just the blink of the eyes, that time of separation from Krishna, they cannot tolerate. Atati Jada Bhavan, Onni Kanano, Truti Jugayate. And that million, just the 1 second. And 11, and what is called?
7,000th of a second.
So that second gopis, they cannot tolerate. So how is going in there? Separation, this thing. So we cannot understand this. Yeah. So saying the Atati Jada Bhavan, Onni Kananam, Truti Jugayati, Tam Pasyatam, Kutila Kuntalam, Simkanchate, Jadavudikshatan, Pakshaki Disha. That's what comes to the mood in their heart. That is called Mahabhav. And Odhiruda Mahabhav. And this Odhiruda Mahabhav, the 6 symptoms are there. And answer this. I explained in my book. Yeah, I took you there. And there are many kinds of experiences there. Odhiruda Mahabhav. 6 symptoms there. Brahmanda Chubhakarita. And whole world complete will start to stimulate. That the Brahmanda Chubhakarita. Tijjak Jani Prapti Lalasa. And there's so much humility coming, they want to become the animals and others living entities. Brahmanda Chavita, what did it? Could you remember? I read my book. So I thought you wrote. Very nice. My Gopi Gita is coming. I wrote it, everything. One by one. What is this thing? And all the living entities simultaneously they also are feeling separation. And this is the thing. And start to shake it. And this is the 6 symptoms of them. When Srimati Radhika, she is absorbed in Mahabhav, Adhiruda Mahabhav, then what comes of these symptoms? Kalpatte Khanartha Khanarte Kalpatta. 1 second there become millions and jugas of Brahma and past. This way. And when they're meeting with Krishna, they are thinking only couple seconds. And they are thinking. How many years they perform Ras dance with the Krishna? Ta Brahmaratra. I gave you example, everything is there. And Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Ta Brahmaratra. A Sanskrit Ratra means night of Brahma. Ratra Sabda is what is called plural number. Many nights of Brahma. Not one night. Ras Lila is not one night. Srimad Bhagavatam Sukadeva Goswami Pad explains Ras Lila how many nights? One night. But not here this saying Ta Brahmaratra. Ta Brahmaratra. Millions nights of Brahma. Gopis, they perform Ras dance with the Gopis. Krishna. They prove these things. Then realize Yogamaya arranged. So how to feel separation? And Krishna. Then Krishna, again he told the Gopis, you have to return back to home. But how did they return back to home? Sukadeva Goswami explained. Tatra anuragana vardhanam. Very clearly explained. To increase their deep attachment towards him. They don't want to go away from Krishna. They want to stay with Krishna. Because they have so much deep attachment, anurag. Then coming to what is the meaning anurag? Do you understand? Darsani atiptata. Anurag, this is the symptom. They are not satisfied to take darshan. Again and again, darshan atiptata. Many symptoms are. Ujjwal in Maniyati. I wrote one by one step these things. What is the anurag? Why they don't want to go away from Krishna? Because anuragena. But Krishna numodita. Then Krishna told, hey Gopis, you have to return back to your home. Then Krishna is actually this lila is going on. Another Brahmanda, another lila Yogamaya arranged. Because Krishna lila is going on thousand, millions of Brahmanda. Not one Brahmanda. One Brahman to another one. Same going on this way.
Same time.
At the same time. Same time and also going this way. Let's give an example. Some people are, I don't know here, those who are doing the drama. And one night they also, drama means 3 places. Understand? We saw in Bengal. Some people, they are doing drama. This is their business. And one place drama, 3 places. 3 cities they have to perform drama. One night, 3 places have to do drama. You understand? 9 to 12, 12 to 9. And how do you call it? 6 to 9. And then 9 to 12 or 12 to 3. So 3 places they have to drama. Same drama they will go. But how they will do drama this? There are the groups also there, different groups. Understand? This role is going, that role is finished, then and at a time their car and everything is also arranged. And at a time 3 places pandal arranged, everything is arranged. Just same player and coming simultaneously that place. So if you are watching the TV simultaneously, your satellite, and you can see same place. Oh, I saw this also Krishna here, and so here Krishna here, and also Krishna, same person. Same paint and everything, but simultaneously they are going in very easy. Because this is the arrangement. Then in the same way, Krishna's leelas are going on different Brahmanda Yogamaya. Understand? The Yogamaya. Same Krishna leela is going on here, Putanabad leela. Another Brahmanda, then Krishna's, also another what is called leela is going on. Even thousand Brahmandas, this leela is going on. And so Vishnu Chakra giving, there were Yatha Alavat Chakra. And one kind of logic, Alavat Chakra means taken one burning stick. And very quickly, if you moving, then you see one circle of light. In the same way, Krishna Leela is going Alavat Chakra. Because I told you, I saw this, it's in Bengal, the same Leela is going on. And same city, different city. But how they arrange this way? They are not taking the pandal. Pandal understand? Yes. Everything is there. And then 3 cities pandal, everything is also one director. Director is one, not 3 directors, one director. He arranges everything. Who is doing this lila? And sometimes very quick transport and going there. Anyhow, they are going there. And this lila is going on this. And at a time, 3 cities, a same lila is going on this. So why not Krishna is Bhagavan, who is the supreme personality of Godhead, and he is the, what is called, magician, supreme magician. So saying Srimad Bhagavatam, saying this way, saying Krishna, he is called, what is called, Mahajogi, Mahatapassi. So he can do everything. Why what is your doubts? And one yogi can manifest 50 forms, so would you receive? Or Krishna or not? Yogeshwara Bhagavan. So Srimad Bhagavatam is Yogeshwaram. Obi. Yogeshwara, who is the supreme control of the yogis. So there are no doubts these things. So Krishna Leela is going on this, Brahmanda Leela is going on this. Millions Brahmandas. Krishna Leela still also go. Addabadi se Leela, Kare Gauro Rai, Kono Bhagavan Dekivare Pai. Still Krishna Leela is going any Brahmandas. Krishna Leela is never stopped. And those who are high class exalted devotees. Jiva Goswami Pada. One sadhu, he comes in the stage of Bhavdasa. And when he's doing, then he's looking this, watching this. Direct actually. This Leela, how is going on this? Jiva Goswami, Brahma Samhita will explain this way. Jiva Goswami Pada. When sadhu, he comes in the stage of Bhavadasa, that time he can look and Krishna's all this Leela. And very nicely. And when Vasudev Goswami wrote this Bhagavatam or Puranas, many Leelas coming. Sometimes it's also very difficult to you also reconcile. How this Leela? Because many Leelas coming, Brahmandas Leela. And have to write very quickly. Understand this way. So his Leela is manifested in his heart, then very quickly writing this. And this way. He gave the dictation, then Ganeshji he wrote. This Katha I explained. Because all his Leela manifested in the heart of Vasudev Goswami. And Vasudev he dictated. You understand? Dictation. Then Ganeshji he did it. Right. So some Leela also is under so many Puranas Leela confused the people.
Overlap.
No, it's different.
Sometimes overlap. Then up and down. Because many Leelas is coming. When you speak, then many kathas, many slokas is coming. Which sloka I will speak first? Which will not be first? Sometimes one sloka is half speaking, sometimes not. Because many slokas when you speak, there's a thing. You know what you speak, what in sequence? Or if you speak very slowly, that is another thing. 2 things happen. So when you so much excitement, that time you also quickly have to express from your heart. And others not excitement, slowly. I like rickshawala. No, what is called tattoo, Ghoda. Or when excitement, have to speak. Gaur Preman. You arti or not? No need. Okay. Harikatha is arati. Gaur Preman. And also there is also Visakha Kunda, Lalita Kunda, everything is there. Their separation mood is there. Hey, listen or not? What did he say?
No, sorry.
There is also Lalita Kunda, Visakha Kunda, there is also separate mood. But that's Leela is going on this way. How is Leela is going on this way? We are explaining, okay, Srimati Radhika 3 forms. What is the form? Origin, Srimati Radhika. Visabhanandini, Srimati Radhika. Hard to explain. One is called Sanjogini, another is called Viyogini. This Leela. Sanjogini Radha, she came in Kurukshetra, or Viyogini Radha, she in Visakha Kunda, Uddhav came. This Leela is going on this. Also that Leela is there because without separation mood, and then Krishna's can, then their Leela, that Samjogin, what is called, meeting Leela will not increase. So Jogmaya arranged this in the mind of Srimati Radhika. That is called Prema Vaichitta. First, that is called Purvarag. Purvarag, Man, Pravas, Prema Vaichitta. Then 4 kinds of Viraha. Purvarag, Man, Pravas, and Prema Vaichitta. And without reading Ujjalimani, you can understand, but something I have to do. Maybe you read or not. And Purvarag coming. Then Purvarag, Man coming. And then Pravas, then Prema Vaichitta. So some also explain this way. The Purvarag, Man, Pravas, there is very short Pravas. That explain. That is called Nikat Pravas. Pravas means is what? One who goes one place to another place. That is called Pravas. To leave that place. Pravas. But their Pravas is very, very short. Just Krishna, he used to go herding the cows. That Pravas. That is called Sudur Pravas. This is called Nikat Pravas. Not Sudur Pravas, not Krishna. Distant. Krishna does not go to Vrindavan to Mathura. That is called Pravas. But their Bhav Matra is there. Krishna today is going to Mathura. That's Viraha. Then also the Viraha this way. Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, Bhabva Viraha. And Ujjalimani explained this way. Many things in this Viraha, not only this way. And many things in there. If you not listen, cannot. In Jewels of Heart, I have something also explained this way. Bhavi Viraha. I gave one by one example also. What is called Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, Bhabva Viraha. All Virahas I also explained. Did you read Jewels of the Heart? You have not this book? I gave you.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
Jewels of the Heart dictionary. What is the Bhavi Viraha? And I have quotation also only. And give the evidence from the Shastra. And Gaura Govinda Maharaj explained. I took many there also.
Which one? Swanyam Vasakam?
No.
The
Jewels of the
first
Heart.
one. Jewels of the Heart, okay.
The Bhavi Viraha, their group. Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, Bhabva Viraha. How is going on in there? Prakat Lila, Aprakat Lila, how there is going on this? Ross is not it. Without association of high class exalted, you cannot understand this. Read many years, associate with sadhu, listen, then you understand this. If any question, ask me.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Very good.
So, as the pastimes,
Pardon,
as the pastime or the Rasalila is happening simultaneously, like in our world and in Goloka Vrindavan. So, my question, I'm wondering, so like when the gopis and Srimati Radhika are feeling the mood of separation, and you know how they can't even tolerate being like thinking or being separated from Krishna. Is that painful to them? Is that like some sort of suffering, or is it just extreme, or is it some sort of bliss?
Actually, this question is very, very confidential and very perfect question. You understand? Because this love, prem, is transcendental love, not material love. Externally, they are feeling pain, but internally, so much happiness coming. Vishamrite jano ekatra milan. And tapto ichut charban joiche charana na jai. Chaitanya Charitamrita explain. You don't understand the Bengali, but I explain the Chaitanya Charitamrita in this way. This love is as like the mixed with the poison and nectar mixed together and drink.
Is it kind of like when after a mother's to give birth, she's in a
No,
lot of
that's
pain?
her question is coming there.
Sorry, darling.
Understand? Visamrite jano ekatra milan. Give another example, just a material example then understand. When mother she gives birth to baby, how much pain coming? And simultaneously when just so much happiness coming. According to the science, I also explained to you. When your bone break, that pain, giving the example about the reed, according to science language, reed. When we are about to die, that we can tolerate not more than the reed of 20 reeds. When at a time your 20 bones broken, that kinds of pain coming. And the same times when you to die, that kinds of pain coming, that's a calculation according to the science language, that is called read. R-I-E or something, I forget this pronunciation maybe. It's read. Man, so much pain coming. One bone broken, that pain, that is the calculation they are saying, the read. And at a time 20 bones break, that is good. But when mother she gives birth to the baby, that the pain coming 25. According to science explain, if you can do this. So that means it's more than the death. So how she tolerate? How she how possible to tolerate? Because so much happiness coming and for this tolerate. When mother she gives the birth baby, because so much happiness coming. Yeah, I will give birth the baby. After 6 months, 7 months, and 8 months, 9 months coming, she's very happy. Understand? So much happiness coming, she tolerate the pain. Every second, every moment, so much pain, not so easy. One thrown and stuck your, what is called, feet, you are feeling pain or not?
Yes.
Are the baby staying day by day? You cannot understand these things. How mothers she tolerate these things? But the happiness, so much happiness coming, so much she also are dancing in the happiness. This is true. So for this reason she forgets the all kinds of faith. In the same way, now coming in this way, this is the material example when mothers give the birth. That's it. In the transcendental world, how will you explain these things? What language will speak? So when you meet with Krishna, what kinds of happiness coming? And we cannot explain. That's called Jano Visamrite Jana Ekatra Milan. At a time pain or at a time happiness. There is the poison and nectar mixed together. Because we have no idea what is the taste of the poison, taste of the nectar. And even you have no experience about the taste of the poison. Did you drink the poison? No. If you drink the poison, you cannot. Poison is bitter or what things? And nectar you did not also take. If you drink the nectar, then another things will come in. But just Shastra saying this way, very bitter. Understand? When we are taking the another thing, this is as like poison. Then I asked, did you take poison before? But no. So why are you saying this is as like this bitter is as like poison? Because you heard this, because poison is very intolerable to touch you. So you are saying this is poison.
Bitter like poison.
And another thing, any things you are drinking, very nice, beautiful drink. You are saying this is as like nectar. You compare, but you did not drink two things. You never drink also poison, original poison, or you never drink also nectar, just to have. But in the same or prem, what kinds of things? If you not count this prem, please. So giving another example, what is it, Chaitamrita? Tapta ikchu charvan joiche charana jai. As like give an example, if you take the sugar cane, put the fire, juicy sugar cane. Then sugar cane little bit hot, and you start to chill. So sweetness coming. And simultaneously also what? Your tongue burning. But you cannot give up. Simultaneously, these are many things we are giving the material example. Here, Chaitanya, Tapta ikchu charvan joiche charana na jai. The prem, what kinds of prem? That is it. Then another example was giving, because many example has explained in this way. Ice, one piece of ice. You take one piece of ice from your fridge. Then hold your hand. What do you feel? What do you feel first?
Cold.
Very cold. Then after a few seconds, you feel your hand is burning. That's what wrong. How possible this ice burn your hand? But you feel the hand is burning. Understand? I remember when I was a small boy, taking the ice and then what are you doing? Actually, you giving the what is it called? From your mouth, some hot air. Then you saying, my hand is burning. Are how possible? The ice burn your hand, but using this word, Mom, my hand is burning. Because I hold the ice. Ice never burn your hand. But you are using this one, and it's burning. In the same way, prem as these things, you cannot give the decision, prem is burning or giving the cool. Sanatana Goswami, the Bhagavatam in this. What kinds of, and at a time, this time is coming, so much happiness coming. Ananda and Dukkha. Understand? Ananda means bliss and Dukkha means distress is coming. And but that the Ananda is higher than the distress. So for this regard, again and again, you want to listen, you want to enjoy these things. This is the happiness. Ananda, what kinds of Ananda? You cannot understand. In this material, different kinds of bliss. What will say them? Different people, they are enjoying different bliss and enjoying different things. This. But all kinds of this bliss in this material world, Ananda, in significance of Premananda. Nothing useless. You understand? If we give many examples, our Goswami is giving many examples. What will say to you? What Ananda is coming? First, if you love someone, say your face, so much bliss, Ananda coming. Your face as like full moon. This is true. And very nice, beautiful. Because Ananda. Srimati Radhika, she says these things. Or Chandidas explained. Priya mukh darasane jano chandra mukh anandita hoy. When Srimati Radhika, she looks the face of Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika thinks, I am looking the very nice, beautiful and full moon. Understand? When the full moon, Purnima, you see the full moon, your heart is overjoyed. Who does not want to see the full moon? Ananda kami. Priya mukh darasane jano ananda hoy. There are many things also. And if I tell you, maybe your material conception will come. Because all examples actual material things. Because we are material world. And so you're giving the material examples. But all examples transcendental. Chandidas, Vidyapati, they also explain in their Grantha. These things. And at a time when a Viraha, and that time Srimati Radhika, when she looks the full moon, then she's saying, hey Sakhi, cover the moon. I don't want to see the moon. That time Guru Viraha also coming this way. And she don't want to listen the sound of the cuckoo birds. And saying, hey Lalite, Bisheke, go, stop that the cuckoo birds, stop the sound. I don't want to listen. Look at this, Viraha dosha.
Why? She reminds her of Krishna. She doesn't want to. In Viraha, she's like this.
This is called Mahabhava dosha, opposite way coming. Because things are more painful coming. This is what you will do. And again, when after long separation, when Srimati Radhika she meets with Krishna, then Srimati Radhika she express her different moods. Achara bhariya jadi manika pai, tobu ham piyare dura dese na pathai. Chandidas Krishna. If anybody give to me lot of wealth and money, and say, hey Radhe, just couple of seconds send to your beloved Govinda in another Sukhi. Srimati Radhika, Achara bhariya jadi manika pai, tobu ham piyare dura dese na pathai. My beloved, how is it? is as like the blanket of winter time. What do you prefer in the blanket? When cold coming. Yeah? If you tell you give your coat, no, Maharaj, I don't give you. I don't give you. Yeah? Very cold. If you go to the, what is it called, Gangotri, Jamunotri, yeah? Very cold. Yeah? And or Russia, go, I am going that place. Siberia, -20. And as like fridge. And opposite, when we come out from the house, bilkul as like fridge. And when we open the fridge, and this what is called? Cold air coming, and as like what is called? धुआं के भांति निकलता है. Vapors coming. In the same way, when you go to Siberia, after coming up from, after come back, coming out from your house, come just outside the door, you are looking all the vapor coming. As like fridge, you are thinking, why I enter in the fridge. Yeah, because all their houses are central heat area. So if you go, that's very cold. Ooh. And sometimes with 3 coats, I go to it. Sometimes you put it in my picture, you can sometimes 3 1 by 3. And still something also I cannot feel in here.
Cheeks and nose.
Cheeks and nose, I can feel it. He had sensors or not. Because -20 sometimes. Here is not -20. I will say, I have nose or not? I have no feeling in it. And very quickly go sit in the car. Once in Russia, and just after program, I coming just maybe 50 meters, not doing it. Then I just coming from the car and coming to work. Then and so much what is called snow. My whole coat completely white. Look at this. This is called the experience in your life, perfect life. What do you do? Yeah, what subject are you talking? So Srimati Radhika is saying, Shitaro Orini Piya Bari Sarva. Shitaro Orini Piya Bari Sarva. My beloved Govinda is as like the blanket of winter season. And blanket would say very cold, very कस करके जो है हम रखते हैं ना, very tight.